Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. In this video, we will discuss how to download and install the latest Windows KB update. First, let's check the Windows version with this command. You can see that I'm running the build 22621.2428 in the Windows 11 22H2 stable channel. Now, open the Settings app and you need to check for Windows updates. Just check for the update and I have downloaded it, the KB5031455 update. Also enable the get updates as soon as they are available toggle and then restart your computer. This update doesn't take too much time to install. It took around 5 to 10 minutes to install on my PC, but the experience can vary from computers to computers. After installing the update, you need to log in and then we can discuss the new improvements added in this KB5031455 update for Windows 11 devices. Just log into your PC. Now we are logged in. After restarting the PC, let's check the Windows version first with the winver command. You can see that now the build number has been updated to 0.2506. Discussing about the improvements, let's open you can see the Copilot can now be opened with the Windows plus C shortcut and you can also alt tab on it. Let's check the Settings app for some improvements. The first is a new System Components section that displays all the system apps installed on a Windows PC, so you can differentiate between third-party apps that you install from the store and the default system components. This update also marks the apps as system, and now the taskbar settings have been also improved to some extent. Now you can choose to not combine taskbar buttons and hide labels. I have set it to never, and you can see that the app which is open displays its title along with its icon. In this case it is the Settings app. Another small improvement is to the start menu. You can see that it displays a preview sort of for images. The system section also adds a new end task button. You can just hop onto this for developers option in the system section and enable the end task option. With this, you can kill any app right from the taskbar. In this case, let's right click on the Settings app and then you can see the end task option. Just click on it and it will end this particular task. No need to open Task Manager. Windows 11's new update also adds a new and improved volume mixer, which appears if you access audio in certain apps. In this case, I have opened YouTube and Microsoft Edge, and when you open the volume mixer and then click on this volume mixer icon, you can see that you can now adjust the Edge sound separately apart from the system sound and settings. A nifty improvement in my consideration. You can also hide date and time on taskbar now. Just open the adjust date and time section and just uncheck this show time and date in system tray option. If you click on this toggle and disable it, the time and calendar will hide and it may add some more space on your taskbar. Other improvements to Windows are the new Windows 11 backup app, more improvements to the file explorer where you get the new gallery section, home section, and a new details pane across with support for multiple new archive formats including RAR. These are some nifty improvements. Along with that, when you update the Microsoft Paint app and the Windows Photos app, you get access to new features like audio and voice recording in sniping tool and text actions feature, along with a new background blur feature in the Photos app. I have separate videos on that and I will add those in the description box. Do like and share this video with other fellow Windows enthusiasts. Also subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel for more such content.